Hello, welcome to the another video. Hope you are fine. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate the live site with your Squarespace website. So I will use the tawk.to and visit the site and click on login or sign up for free. If you have already account, then you can create login, and if you don't have account, just sign up first and then login. Okay, so I have already account and I'm going to login. Click on login. After logged in, I will see here some already added some properties or property. So you can add a property. Click on add property and then enter the property name. I'm going to add a name stone recovery, and the site URL will be this. I will use this site, stone recovery clinic, stone recovery. Okay, so I am going to getting the domain name from here. Just click on setting and the domain that are already connected, housestonerecoveryclinic.com. Then copy the domain and enter the URL in here. Must be you enter the https and now you will get a code. Just copy the code and then go to the Squarespace admin panel, click on website and then go to your website tools and then enter the code injection. You can enter the code on header or footer. I'm just adding it on footer and then make save. Yeah, after that I will see the option in here. Yes, this is just comes up in here. So this was the method to integrate a live site with your Squarespace website for free. So this when someone visit on your website, they will get an option, and you can see the message. Suppose as an user I am sending a message for here, hello. You will receive the message in the dashboard. Yes, it is alarming that the visitor is coming from Bangladesh, and the visitor details. If you want, you can add more fields on there and enter giant chat. Now I can chat with my visitors. How are you? Yes, that's it. So that was the point that I have described. Thank you.